it's Steph with Ciro, here to talk about the newest addition to our phone holder family. This is the Constrictor Phone Holder, and it's not just called that because it's a cool name. This bad boy will actually keep your phone in place. And we know phones are changing shape, size, whatever. So this can actually fit up to phones or whatever that is 4.5 inches wide. And if you look at the back, you got 3 screws here. Loosen those screws and you can actually adjust the length as well. So it's gonna make sure that your phone stays in place. These arms are gonna hold your phone tight, but it's also not wide, they're not wide enough, they're thin, so they won't hit all the buttons on your phone as well. Another cool thing is this clamp is what holds your phone in. This can be moved to the other side. So if you're a left or a right-handed rider, you can move it to whatever side of the bike is more comfortable for you. So let's get this installed on the bike. All right, to put this on your bike, you're gonna need one of the Gen 2 compatible mounts from Ciro to get this on there, but it's super easy install. All you gotta do is put your collet nut on there, snap your phone on wherever you want it, and tighten the collet nut. And it's ready to go. Okay, slide your phone in. You can adjust it to size by just turning this. And to get that constrictor grip, you're just gonna slide that flat. That bad boy's not going anywhere. Now, if you ever wanna readjust your position, remember to always loosen the collet nut before you try to shift it around. So loosen the collet nut, move it where you want it, tighten it back up. Simple as that. And there you have it, the newest addition to the phone holder family from Ciro, the Constrictor Phone Holder. If you want to learn more or to pick one up today, visit your local dealer or visit Ciro3D.com. I'm Stephanie with Ciro, thanks for watching.